Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jack, and today we're kicking off an exciting new project right here in New Jersey. We're transforming a backyard into a beautiful pond with a stream and waterfall. Let's dive right in. We're starting the day at our home base where the machines are parked. Anthony is busy working on his truck, and it's the perfect spot to talk about our plans for the new project.
I called off Bully and Joe today because of the rain. Figured we can just go set up the job and get everything ready for the next day.
Yeah, you know what? Actually, we're not bringing any boulders for this. We're going to collect all the boulders off the property. They've got some nice indigenous stuff that's got like a lot of lichen and moss on it. So I think what we'll do is if we load up, I'm going to take the Peterbilt up. We'll bring the excavator and the skid steer, collect all that rocks. We'll collect all those rocks, and then we can at least stockpile that by where the pond's gonna go. And then tomorrow you guys can roll out early and we'll just get started.
Yeah.
All right.
With the plan set, we fire up the machines and head to the site. The homeowner has rocks everywhere, and we can't wait to see which ones will make it into the pond.
All right, good. Let's get that excavator unloaded there, and then we can go ahead and take this trailer off, and we'll spin this thing around. We'll have to take the, what's in the back, super sack?
No, it's just the product and the plants and stuff.
All right, so we'll take this, we'll back it up in the woods. We're just gonna leave this here for a couple days, the trailer, and then we'll take that enclosed and back it next to that storage unit there. And then I wanna get down here, I'll show you where we're gonna start picking these rocks at. You see all this stuff in the woods here? Like, look how nice this is. There's a ton of it down there, so it's all covered in this like this moss and lichen, beautiful stuff, like a piece there. Down along the driveway, there's a ton of it. He said we could take as much as we want, so we're gonna load up, bring that all up here. We'll use it to build the pond. So it'll really look like it came out of these, you know, these woods with that stone. So, I mean, you couldn't ask for a better stone than that.
No, it's really nice.
It's cool because, I mean, the stuff's pretty easy to get to. That's the only reason I said we could do it, right? Because normally we're not gonna be trudging through the woods to collect all this rock, but it's right there, super easy to get to, and why not use the stuff that's here?
First things first, we unload the machines. And wouldn't you know it, it's a typical rainy day, but that won't stop us. We carefully select the best rocks for the pond.
See all the small stuff?
Yeah.
Let's collect all that. That's all real nice rock. And then even these smaller pieces here.
Okay.
Anything you can get, you know, by hand into the bucket. Just be careful. Don't drop any in the driveway. Aight?
Okay. So like all these guys you'll take?
If you can get it, those you can get with the MT.
Yeah.
So bring the bucket and the forks down.
Yeah, okay.
I'll get the real big ones.
Well,
But be careful. This is like, these are real nice. Don't crack them.
Listen, once it leaves the bucket, I can't make any promises.
No, make sure it doesn't crack.
You're not mic'd up, can't hear you. Those are you.
And did you watch it? What are you doing? Look. Or somebody commented I'm drinking coffee all day.
Well, you are. Colby, can't hear you again. You're not wrong. I think you always got a Yeti cup.
I kind of forgot I had the bar on the box. It's not really going to work with me sliding them in there. Piece there. Yeah, I dump it. That is some nice stuff.
Despite the mud, we make some great progress.
Yeah, that is some really nice stuff.
Right?
Yeah, I'm excited to use that. Tomorrow, well, we'll pack it up for today. Tomorrow we'll get the guys over. We're gonna build some outcroppings down the bottom because we're gonna raise that up. There is definitely ledge rock in the ground, obviously, all this rock pool around here. So I wanna raise the whole pond up to get above it. And then we'll dig it back. We're actually gonna, I talked to David before, we're gonna run the waterfall further up into the woods so it looks like it comes out from the tree line. So that's gonna be pretty awesome, but what a selection we got to work with here. Hey, nice job.
High five.
Day 2 kicks off with our blank canvas. Just a grassy backyard for now, but not for long. We're talking through our vision for this pond and what we need to achieve today.
Boley, Joe, let's game plan this real quick. Colby, come on over.
No, the rod.
All right, don't worry about that right now. Just bring that over here, Colby. All right, you can see like the paint lines from when I was here talking to Dave. Mm-hmm. If not, I have a video of it, but here's like the outline of the pond. We're going 12 foot, 15 foot long. We are, see how, if you look in the ground here, see all this rock?
Right. There's a few.
I know there's gonna be ledge here. Like you can just see it right there. Like we're not getting down if we just dig right here.
Like it's a feeling in your bones, you feel it?
I feel it in my bones.
In your bones?
So what I wanna do is take some of these larger boulders, like, 18 inches, 2 footers. We'll build up like an outcropping down the bottom so we can raise this whole thing up. Because Boley, you see all the stones sticking out? There's gonna be rock in the ground here, for sure. Matter of fact, we might have to go to the yard, bring some dirt in. But we'll cut that out. We'll cut the waterfall dirt into it so we can compact it and get our grade for the pond. But what I want to do is lay out where the pond is. I might kick it this way a little bit just to get up into the hillside some. Because we're going to start up probably about like 5 feet off of that tree with the biofalls and really get some good twisting and turning. If you look line of sight, see those 3 doors? They have a huge living room there, and he's gonna be doing a big grilling station like off the corner of the deck here. So this is really like important here. And then when we get up higher, even sitting down up there, you'll be able to see the waterfall, which is gonna be a huge asset. So what I wanna do this morning is let's get this in. We'll drop some big ones in. We've got some big ones out here. I don't wanna like mess the whole yard up. Let's just try and keep our disturbance to right here. Strip this grass, get rid of it, and we'll lay this out. I think we should build this up. Where's that zip level?
I got it pulled apart.
What do you mean?
The pole's stuck in it.
Just bring it over. I'll do it.
Here, you want the paint? Paint.
Yeah.
We're jumping straight into action, marking out the pond layout and starting the dig.
I guess the dirt wasn't so bad, huh?
No, actually, it's kind of sandy, so it's a little loose. But we've been hitting it with the tamper and everything, and it's turning out pretty good. A couple of rocks, so let's rake it out. What'd you bring back?
I've got some clean fill, so we can build up over there and where the skimmer is going to be. So we can put that in here and grade that all out and keep moving here.
All right. Well, we got the fish cave all dug out. That's everything so far pitching in. So we're gonna try and make a nice low spot in the middle to make this super easy to clean. Other than that, right here was a piece of ledge stone, so we're just kicking the grade up a little bit to work back, and we don't really have to worry about that. And then down here we're doing 18 inches all the way. It'll wrap all the way around. Skimmer's gonna go like right here, and then this
He wants
is all.
to do some bigger stuff.
We're gonna keep it real small down in the middle, like smaller stuff. We'll put a couple big guys just to frame it up, but he wants to keep it like as open as possible.
Okay.
So we'll do that. And then up here, it's all 12 inches. All right, and then right over to there too.
All right.
So this is just about done. We gotta rake this out, finish the bottom, and then we can cut some underlayment and get rocking and rolling.
Alrighty.
With the excavation cleaned up and shaped, it's time to lay down the fabric and liner. This is a crucial step to ensure our pond stands the test of time.
What was the goal for the end of the day? Well, I wasn't here, you guys were.
Get as far as you can.
Well, did he have somewhere he wanted to be?
Not in specific, but I'm assuming we'll have most of this pond rocked in. So I had Joe, he already cut up our piece of underlayment. We're gonna use a 15 by 20 to try and cover most of it. And then we'll probably have to cover just a little section with a small piece. And then what do we have for liner? I know you got what, a 15 by 15 this morning?
That's it, yep. And then a 25 by 15 or 20.
You don't even know what you got?
I don't remember. I got it the other day. I got it like on Sunday.
All right. Well, okay. Let's get this in. Can I grab a corner, Bolito? Oh, the wind is taking it.
Now it's time to install the skimmer. This is Joe's first time doing this, and Colby is here to guide him. This is a fun one.
So Joe, we've got pretty much the bottom of the pond all rocked in. Boley's behind me. He's gonna be putting the top shelf in now with Ant. I'm gonna be over here with you. This is your first time putting in a skimmer. So I'll work with you and I'll show you how to do this, how to install the faceplate, the weir door and everything, and how we're gonna seal it. So I know you've done a biofalls once or twice, but this is sort of the same thing, just a couple extra pieces.
Sweet.
All right.
Yeah. Let's get to it.
We keep building until it's time to wrap up for the day. The progress is looking amazing, and we're pumped to see this project come to life.
What are you doing?
I gotta put these rocks in the truck and we'll end up taking a load back.
Right. All right. I think we made some good progress. Tomorrow, I know we gotta just kind of like wrap up that far side, but I think Pops can kind of finish that up when he starts setting his framers for the waterfall.
Yeah, he'll put a couple, maybe like 2, 3, and that's it, and then he'll go up the waterfall there.
Right. So when I was up in there, I picked out a couple of big guys that I kind of wanted, that I think would be good to take back. So there's a little pile there. I know you got some stuff here and over there. we're all cleaned up, we're all packed up, the cameras are done and everything, so I think I'm gonna take these, Joe and Bowling. We'll get out of here.
All right, I will hang out for 20 minutes and load this stuff, and I'll meet you over there.
Where, at home? Where are you gonna meet me?
At the garage.
Interesting. So I'll see you there?
Yeah.
High five. Day one. That was a weak high five. That was like a high.
Says you came in with the weak sauce. There was no power behind that.
Thanks for joining us on day 1 and 2 of this incredible pond project. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next steps in our journey. See you next time.